Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How, or evening, or whenever it is that this video actually posts. So today I'm going to show you how to put text on iMovie. Okay, I've done other videos about this. So if there's other tutorials you need or other questions you need answers to, check out the playlist in the description of this video. It's my 3 dozen plus iMovie tutorials. All right, so here's how you put text to a movie in iMovie. It's called titles in iMovie. You just click the title. You choose which template you want. There's all different ones, a couple dozen different options. Okay. Click and drag it over the top of the video that you want the text to be on top of. Or if you want it to be just on black, drag it in between two clips or in front of the start of the video. So you want it to be the opening title text, whatever you want. Okay, that's how you do it. And then to edit the template, you double click on it and you change what you want. Have it say whatever it is you want it to say. And just like a word editor like Google Docs or Microsoft Word, you can left justify it, center justify it, bold it, italicize it, outline it. There's a lot of things you can do. You can change the color right here to whatever color you think looks good. You can change the font to whatever you want to change it to. Okay? That is how you put text on a video in iMovie. So hope that helped. Again, check out the other iMovie tutorials in the playlist on the description, and I hope you'll subscribe to Teach Mom How. Have a great day.